Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Palantir price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And starting on the overview here for the bullish and a bearish scenario, we have of course a 1 2 3 4 5 for a wave A here, of course finishing a wave A, and 1 2 3 4 5 again impulse toward the downside. So probably here of course the market was still looking for psychology, where it has been found exactly here with a bigger impulse toward the upside, or it can transform this to an A, B, and a C, of course, as a three wave toward the upside, finishing, of course, this in a wave A, and then start to move toward the downside in other three waves. Of course, this is your bearish scenario. Currently, we are in a double 1 2 here, 1 2 1 2, and we're looking for 3 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5 to finish this wave A or a wave 1. Possibly, if you are bullish, of course, you would like to see 1 2 here. If you are bearish, then you have finished an A, a B, and a C in the magenta here, and you're looking for another wave B, and then continuation toward the upside. Your wave B, of course, can be very, very deep. So basically, we are currently now in this move toward the upside. So of course, still in a wave C, an impulse, where we have a wave 1 here, 1 2 3 4 and a 5, for a finished wave 1 here, and then you're looking for 1 2 again, 1 2 3 4 and a 5. You have finished a wave 5 for a wave 3 for the yellow scenario, of course, here, so meaning you are 1 2 3 now, and a wave 4. So the scenario for this wave 4, of course, is taken from the wave 2 to the wave 3, of course, as fib levels here, giving us a target, of course, between the $81 and the $62. And here we go, we are very, very close to it. Anyway, with this massive drop toward the downside, it looks like a 1 2 3 4 and a 5 potentially, where we're gonna get an impulse and probably even correction and another impulse, and then continuation toward the upside, because this is a very, very sharp move, of course, for lower prices. And also, as you can see, the time required for a wave 2, of course, is very, very longer than, of course, this wave 4. As you can see, in based on the alternation between, of course, the wave 2 and the wave 4, we should have, of course, a longer wave 4 a little bit here. It can be, of course, a triangle. Don't forget that it is very characteristic of a wave 4. It can be, of course, something like 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 5 waves down again, of course, to hit the perfect blue box, of course, in this area. And of course, if we take here, as you can see, the time required for this wave 2, actually, it should be here, the wave 2. Here we go. This is the low. Yeah, so the time required for this wave 2 is exactly this time area here. So we didn't took it precisely before, but now we do. So wave 4 over wave 2, exactly. So this is the area. And yeah, we are still, of course, far from it. So definitely we need 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and 5 waves down still to finish this correction in a wave 4, potentially, and then continuation toward the upside. Now, if we dive a little bit deeper inside this wave corrective to see what's going on exactly, if we can catch something inside it on the 4-hour chart, it's still looking like a very one leg toward the downside. It might be, of course, a wave 1, 2, and probably as well wave 3. So yeah, the things are not looking very, very bullish yet. Of course, I mean, we are still looking for something happening here. 1 2 and then 1 2 3 4 5 on the 1-hour chart. So basically it can be ABC. So far it looks like an ABC 3 waves down. So probably you would like to see 3 waves up and 1 2 3 4 5 as expected. Higher potential, we are in ABC. However, did we close the gap? Yes, as you can see, we closed the gap exactly at this scenario here, which is perfect. And then I think, yeah, it might start to move for higher right now as ABC, and then of course later on hit this fib level. Yeah, so if we want to adjust our path to make it a little bit more precise, so potentially like that. Yeah, potentially we're gonna have something like this, ABC for a wave 4, and then continuation toward the upside. That was it for Palantir. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.